How to create a Monday.com dashboard. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Go to the Dashboard section. On your Monday.com homepage, click on Dashboards from the left menu. This is where you can visualize key project insights. 2. Click Create Dashboard. Select Create Dashboard and give it a name that reflects its purpose, such as Project Overview or Sales Report. 3. Choose the boards to pull data from. Dashboards gather data from multiple boards. Click Add Widget, select Connect Boards, and choose which boards to include. 4. Add widgets for customization. Use widgets like charts, timelines, workload tracking, or number counters to display specific project data. 5. Arrange and resize widgets. Click and drag widgets to rearrange their positions and adjust their sizes for better visibility. 6. Set permissions and share access. If needed, change the dashboard to private, shared, or public so team members can view and interact with the data. 7. Save and monitor in real time. Click Save, and your dashboard will automatically update as new data is added to your boards.